बेंगलुरु में हेवनली हार्वेस्ट नामी बेहतरीन क्वालिटी के खजूर के ब्रांड का इफ्तिताह अमल में आया है। बगैर किसी केमिकल पॉलिशिंग या लंबे वक्त तक स्टोरेज के ये खजूर ताज़ा तरीन आपके यहाँ दस्तयाब है। बेंगलुरु और कर्नाटक भर में ये दस्तयाब हैं। कंपनी की माने तो ये अब तक का सबसे बड़ा ब्रांड है जिसमें पूरी तरह से ताज़ा होने के तफसीलात दस्तयाब हैं। यानी एक QR कोड इस पैकेजिंग में रहेगा जिसमें आप स्कैन करके तमाम तफसीलात जान सकते हैं कि ये खजूर कब पैकिंग हुआ है और कब इसकी एक्सपायरी डेट है। तमाम तर चीज़ें आप हासिल कर सकते हैं। ये ईरान से ताज़ा तरीन हिंदुस्तान मंगाए जा रहे हैं और ताज़ा होने के अलावा बेहतरीन क्वालिटी के ये खजूर हैं। आपको बता दें, हेवनली हार्वेस्ट नामी इस बेहतरीन क्वालिटी के खजूर का बाकायदा इफ्तिताह अमल में आया है।
नहीं, देखो, हेवनली हार्वेस्ट जो है एक प्रोडक्ट जो है डाइट्स का, वो जो है मैं इंपोर्ट करती हूँ ईरान से डायरेक्ट। जहाँ खेती होचे वहाँ तक हमें पहुँच को वहाँ से प्रोक्योरमेंट कर को ले को आको यहाँ जो है हमें उसे पैक कर को डीलर में जो है डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करती, उन्होंने जो है मार्केटिंग करती। ये प्योर खजूर है, इसमें मिक्स नहीं है। ये जो है स्टॉक हुआ फ्रीज़र में है, सो वो सब नहीं है। डायरेक्ट आता है, डायरेक्ट प्रोडक्ट जो है पैक होता है, डायरेक्ट मार्केटिंग को चले आता है। इंशाल्लाह पूरा कर्नाटक में जो है हमें लॉन्च कर ले को ही। और फिलहाल बेंगलुरु, कोलार, चिंतामणि, मालूर ये सब हो को है। अब ये सातनूर भी हो को है। इंशाल्लाह आगे देवनहल्ली ये सब हमें करने वाले हैं।
तुमकुर भी हो को है। अगला प्लान क्या है, कैसे करेंगे? और
नहीं, अगला जो है हमें जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट जो है वो प्रोडक्ट जो है मार्केट में ला रही। ये लॉन्च होने के बाद नेक्स्ट वो हमें ला रही, उसकी तैयारी में है हमें इंशाल्लाह।
आपका नाम?
मेरा नाम अब्दुल मजीद। I am chairman of company.
Today it was an official launching of Heavenly Harvest, and how do you manage it of the market? Because in market it's very much common. Dates are not unique. So how will you acquire a market? What are your visions?
Firstly, this was the first launch of our company, which is Heavenly Harvest. We majorly cater towards the general public and general audience whatsoever that goes on right now. Rahi baat about marketing, we are not completely focusing on marketing, because the more we market, the more the product loses value. That's what I believe. Our product speaks for ourselves. So the major marketing what's going to be done is majorly by the influencers over here, and mostly in future also there are going to be some influencers who have more potential to grow our brand and every single thing. But majorly I trust my brand's dates a lot, because let it be anything, we have, as you said, we have a lot of dates inside the market. This is not a very unique or a very bound product of what's going on. It's a very vast, but the difference is we are importing the dates directly from Iran. Every container is noted, every tree is noted, every batch is noted, and we directly source them. They come to India, and we being Bangaloreans, we being from Bangalore and we being from Karnataka, that's a very big thing for us, because no matter what, we have to focus up on our city. So that's a major thing that's going on right now, because the major thing, as my father even said, we have launched around like 7 different districts. Majorly in Kola, I guess there are 9 districts. And all the major districts have been covered. Down in Bangalore also most of the parts are covered right now. But then it goes on. The major target is to go global, or to go completely, I would say not global first completely go inside the state, then South India, then North India, because we are one of the few companies from the south, from the city of Bangalore, who are doing this. So that's the major marketing that's happening right now. Web Ahmed, director of Heavenly Harvest.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜನತೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಸುಮನ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. ಹೆವನ್ಲಿ ಹಾರ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮ್ ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ಬೆಳೆ ಯಾವುದು ನಾವು ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಾನಿಂದ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ತಲುಪೋಕ್ಕೆ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ಟೈಮು ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಡೇಟ್ಸು ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ಗಳು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 150 ಗ್ರಾಮು 300 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ದಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟು ಅರ್ಧ ಕೆ ಜಿ 1 ಕೆ ಜಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಒಂದು 150 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು 150 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಏನು ನಮ್ಮ ಡೇಟ್ಸಿಂದು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಕೆ ಜಿ, 1 ಕೆ ಜಿ, 2 ಕೆ ಜಿ, 5 ಕೆ ಜಿ ತನಕ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವಾಗ ಜೆಪ್ಟೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಗಳು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ವಿ. 100% ಬೆಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ವಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಏನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಡೇಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನರ್ಗಳು ಸಿಗೋಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು ಇದು ಸಿಗೋಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೀತಾರೆ, ಯಾವ ಮರದಿಂದ ಬೆಳೀತಾರೆ, ಯಾವ ಮರದಿಂದ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕುಯ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ಕುಯ್ದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಪೋರ್ಟಿಂದ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಡಿಯಾಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಡಿಯಾಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪನಿ ಡೀಟೇಲು, ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ FSIC ಸರ್ಟಿಫೈಡ್ ಸಮೇತ ನಮ್ಮದು ಡೇಟ್ಸು ಇವಾಗ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಫ್ಯೂಚರು ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. 100% ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಹೆಸರು ಸರ್?
ನಾನು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೆವನ್ಲಿ ಹಾರ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂಬಾಸಿಡರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾಗೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸುಮನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಸುಮನ್ ಚಂದ್ರನ್ ಆರ್.
Heavenly Harvest, I want you all to understand, see, the major concept of Heavenly Harvest here is that we have designated a particular team, efficient and expertise team who is usually, known to specialize in, looking after the nature and the curiosity of their research, and everything has led to the perfection of this particular crop. Now, basically you have a lot of expert people who are usually there's a lot of investigation done towards this crop and how it has been harvested, and this is like that is the assurance of quality. When we started procuring this in this farms of the Persian balm lands and everywhere, we saw that there is a certain concept of how people harvest it. This is the old tradition which has been followed out from centuries. Now we wanted to elaborate this to the people of India, so that our community, which usually uses Mazafati dates, which is like 1 year, 2 years old. Now we wanted to educate them what is the fresh quality, and once you taste our brand, you will understand what is the quality, what Heavenly Harvest says, and what is other brands which are offering over here.
When you say India, it's very common for everybody to, for when it comes to dates, they don't see much brands.
Yeah.
It's not that level, common as to common brands. So how will you make the minds of Indians to, come on brands like you, to stand on one brand and have freshly?
See, first of all, that's the concept, Since the last 2 weeks, what me and my team we are doing is we are just experimenting with people. We are just giving them our product which was just initially bought by us. This is fresh product, not usually like the other products which is in the market, which is usually bought 1 year or 2 years prior and then it's been sold. See, even today, this year, due to the conflict in Iran and the restrictions imposed by America and Iran, there's not much containers which is coming into India, and it's very slight that there's any sort of import which is happening into India, and it's very rare that you'll find the fresh quality. Whatever it is the left out of stock which is from Kolkata and usual port sourced areas. Now when you taste my product, to be frank, you taste my product. After that, you will elaborate what is my brand Heavenly Harvest and what is others. So, the taste and the concept of Mazafati is like when you chew it, when you put it in your mouth, the seed should automatically, the entire flesh should automatically melt and the seed should remain in your tongue. That's called my brand. So that is how you'll be able to differentiate me and others.
So there are too many categories when it comes to dates. So which all categories are you in the production, and what are your USPs in the categories?
See, first of all, Mazafati, so that the entire community the entire whole of the community can afford it in a very cheaper and simpler manner. That's why we have launched even the 20 grams packets. But however, I'm not limiting myself to Mazafati. I have even Ajwa, I have even Mabroom, I have even Mejdol,
which is also known in Quran as well.
Yes, the Sunnah, our Huzur, our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Okay, there's a Sunnah, whole thing behind it. You should review our website and our app for you to get much elaboration about it. But however,
would you please have what's your site name known as?
www.heavenlyharvest.co.in. You just have to purchase any one of a product, and you'll have to just scan the barcode behind. It will take you to the website, it will take you to the source of the product, it will take you to the certificate of origin from where I have imported the entire containers, and how it is being distributed and segregated in the market. You'll understand my entire concept of USP and soil to seal segment.
So to expand in the market, so what are your strategies? Do you have distributors? If they wanted to contact, what are the sources of contacts?
See, we have set up primary business business development head and a team, a hub where each and every district should be easily accessible to each and every one through the hub. You can just contact any of the links on the website, app, or any of a product will have a contact number. You can just contact them for any distribution, wholesale or retail products if you're looking at. But however, you can easily find us in Blinkit, Zepto or Amazon. That is our main objective, to be approachable by any customer and purchased by any customer, through any online aggregators. We are looking at, having a product placed on each and every platform, and we'll very soon be there in the next coming 2 or 3 days.
Your name and the position in the company?
Well, Ali Ahmed, I'm the managing director, and I did one of the greatest things, according to me, founding this company, which is Heavenly Harvest. It was a dream today and reality soon, inshallah.
Thank you.